Friends, as you know that we have celebrated the anti-corruption day. As you know that there are so many corruption which is happening in our nations, and generally it happens that this corruption is happening because of some officers and because of some corrupt politicians. And in the last days we celebrated the anti-corruption day. I would say that generally we try to fulfill all the formality, but we suddenly fail to take some lessons from these days that we are celebrating. For example, you take that. Every day, every time, every years we celebrate this type of days in order to just give a positive message to the people who are living in the society, so that we can take some suggestions, we can take some ideas, and by applying those ideas and those messages, we try to inculcate some good things in our, I would say, in our society. But generally, we fail to do that because it happens that we consider the people who are saying this is their job to say, and we are doing or not doing, this is our job. So because of that, this corruption is increasing day by day. And yesterday I've seen in one Instagram that about many notes were just catch up in one politician's home. I would say that this type of things which are happening in the nation, I think this is not a positive message for the peoples. Otherwise, when the peoples see this type of people that they are doing corruption, they also try to think that what is the use of this honesty, because the people who are adopting this honesty, they are considered that they are poor, but the peoples who are uh, corrupt, they are becoming rich. So this also motivate to the people who are poor, they also try to become corrupt, because they think that if someone is not doing hard work, that person is so much rich, then what use for us to be honest? Let's follow the way of dishonesty. But I would say this is not good things, because if you are following the way of honesty, one day you will be awarded, and it is said that honesty is the best policy. So definitely we should follow this way of honest way, then definitely this will help us. Generally it happens that when you listen any Bhagavad, any Puran, any good books, any listen any good people, then definitely they will suggest us that sometimes in the life, for example, after 60 or 70, it happens, some mishap happens in our life. We try to, sometimes we have some health issue, some health problem. I think that that things are also the conclusion of our work, what we have done, what we have achieved in the life. At that time we will have to just pay in the form of pain, in the form of money, just to give that money to the doctors. So these things generally happens, and sometimes we face suffer physically. I think this is just payment what we are doing wrong things in our life, and trying to give a wrong message to the people. So I think this is the very honest message, that we should be honest and we should not do the corruption, and whatever work we are doing, we be very honest while doing that work. This is the only one things. We should not normalize this corruption in our society. If we normalize, then this is not good things, and we have to start all these things from our home, from our heart. And I think that if you try to take the initiative and try to suggest the students, the children, that always speak truth, do good things, and if you do this, then definitely good things will happen, and in the futures good citizen will be emerged, and they will also take very right actions to bring this nation forward. So this is the things I wanted to share. So thank you, friends.